How to react on Instagram message with emojis. So first, what you want to do is go ahead and go into your profile page right over here. And then now you want to click on the three bars in the top right hand corner. Now at the very bottom, you should find an option that says update messaging, meaning that if you click on that button, then Instagram is going to update your messaging to the latest version. However, if you cannot find that, then simply go into your Google Play Store or your App Store and then type in Instagram. And then you're going to be looking for a button that says update. However, if there is no option, that means your Instagram is already updated to the latest version. So you simply go ahead and click it on open. And then now you can go check to see if it's there. However, if you press and hold on the message and it's still not there, then what you want to do is go ahead and go to your profile page again. Click on the three bars in the top right hand corner and then click on settings and privacy. Now you want to scroll all the way down and click on help. Simply click on report a problem and click on report problem without shaking. So now you're going to click on don't include and continue, or include and continue, it does not really matter, and just tell Instagram this. Hey Instagram, I have just updated my Instagram account to the latest version, but I don't have the emoji reaction feature on my Instagram account. So please update that for me and enable it, thanks. And then simply click on the send button, and then in about a day or two, your problem will be resolved.